Look at what we found. Water that is not frozen. Josie says it's too cold to go in, so we'll have to see. Chuck says, nope, it's perfect. It is the perfect temperature for Chuck's. Oh, perfect temperature for little Cowboy too. Josie thinks he might splash or something. Chuck's is all for it. Swimming in April in Balsam Lake, Wisconsin. A little cowboy. Sometimes when we come up this hill, there's geese and birds, and yes, there they are. Well, I'm not doing... And swans, yes. I need to zoom in on this. That one's a little confused. It's okay. That one got too excited and didn't know where to go because we spooked it too fast. Yep, now they're all gonna talk. I think it's telling its friends to go this way. I wonder if they're gonna circle back and come back to here after we leave. They kind of look like they're out of here. But I'm gonna stop videoing so I can get the other angle.